Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we back again for another video. And today I have the LG Stylo 5 with me. I want to show you 10 different tips and tricks maybe you know about or maybe not. Without any further ado, let's find out. First, I'll show you how to hide applications. Maybe you have apps in your phone and somebody else accesses your phone. For privacy, you just want to hide these applications so that way you can use them whenever you want to. For instance, I have Facebook. It's installed in my LG Stylo 5. I want to hide this application. How we can do this? You have to go to the settings and then just make sure to tap on display, then go to home screen, and you should see hide applications, and then just go ahead and select the application that you are willing to hide. In my example here is Facebook, and just click done. Once you click done, this application should be hidden in your phone and no one else gonna be able to see your Facebook or open this application. Now if you want to just go back and show the application, do the same thing. Go to the display from the settings, home screen, and then hide applications, and just uncheck Facebook and hit done, and Facebook is gonna go back in business. My second tip, I want to show you how to shrink the screen. Means you make the screen smaller and easily can be used in one hand. Since the LG Stylo 5 has 6.2 inches, it's hard to deal with one hand. So the best thing to do, the shrinking screen. How are we going to shrink the screen? So go ahead and first go to the settings, and then just make sure you're on display, and you will see down here option called mini view. Go ahead and just enable this, and now all you have to do, go from the left or the right and swipe all the way to the other way, just like that. There we go. Now if you want to use the phone in the left hand, this will be easy for you. If you want to just drag it to the right, that way you can use your phone in the right hand. Once again, you can just go from the corner and slide all the way. That should go to the right, and if you go from the right to the left, it should shrink the screen to the left side. If you want to finish, just hit on the X and everything should be back normal. The third tip, it will be the pin pop shortcut. As you guys can see, I have plenty of shortcuts in my phone. Sometimes just for me hard to find the application I'm looking for. So the easiest way, since the Stylo 5 has this stylus pin over here, so once you pop this stylus pin, you should get these shortcuts. Now for instance, I would like to have Facebook on this shortcuts. I go ahead and press on the plus sign, and that should take me to the pin pop shortcuts, and there's plenty of apps on this screen. So we need to search on the application that we are willing to have on this shortcuts, for instance Facebook in my example. And now go back, and once you go to the shortcuts from the stylus pin, you should see Facebook here, and you can reach Facebook easily. Or if the stylus pin already on the phone and you want to use the stylus pin, these shortcuts is gonna pop to you, and you can just hit on Facebook and you are good to go. Tip number 4, I want to show you how to screenshot, but not on the classical way, because everyone knows how to screenshot. It's very obvious. You just press the power key and the volume down, and you should be able to take or capture a screenshot. I want to show you a different unique way you can take a screenshot, and you can choose the part where you want to take that screenshot. All you have to do, pop the pin from the phone or the stylus and go to the plus sign. Just always make sure if you don't get this plus sign, that means you have more than 5, or you have already 5 shortcuts, because you're not allowed to have more than 5 shortcuts. So go ahead, press, and then you will need to add GIF capture. So once the GIF capture is enabled, it should be available on the edge of the screen. So go ahead and press on GIF capture, and you will see this square over here is gonna go with you where you go. For instance, if I want to take this screenshot for the news about the Pixel, all I have to do, adjust it, and then I have to press on record. Go ahead and press record, and then just stop, and this portion from the screen you will have the option to save or edit as a screenshot in your phone, so that way we did not take the whole screen as a screenshot, and this is, in my opinion, it's very useful feature. Tip number 5 is the most important tip, because this tip is all about keep your phone in a good performance. As everybody knows, Android phones has a lot of temporary files, cache and junk files and things like that, which is slow the phone big time. Using third-party application makes things worse actually, because this is going to bring a lot of ads, pop-up, things like that. Is going to make the experience using the phone is terrible. In this tip, I'm going to show you that there is application pre-installed in your LG Stylo 5 will help you to fix all these issues with no problem or no third-party application. When you go to the management folder, and then you should be able to see smart cleaning. The smart cleaning, it will optimize all the performance of the phone. As you guys can see, we have optimization for the battery, and we have optimization for the memory in the phone and the internal storage. All you have to do, click on optimize phone and let the phone does it by itself and fix, clean the cache or the unwanted files from the phone, and everything's gonna be perfect after you do this. Tip number 6, we're going to show you how you retrieve the pictures right after you delete it. LG has the gallery application, which is only for LG phones, and as you guys can see, I just took two screenshots over here. So let's go ahead and select these two and delete them. Actually, just go ahead and delete. So as you guys can see, I don't have these screenshots anymore. So either you took a pictures and you delete them by mistake, so you will have the option to retrieve these pictures, which is great thing in my opinion, or maybe you took a pictures that you want to delete and no one else should be able to see these pictures. Now here what we need to do, if we want to retrieve these pictures, when you are in a gallery on albums over here, you have to see, or if you can see the three dots on the top, go ahead and tap on them and go to trash. When you tap on trash, you will be able to see these pictures. You just delete them, and these pictures, they're gonna stay in your phone for 7 days. Imagine if you have pictures, you delete it and you don't want anybody else to see them. If someone know your password, go to your phone, they're gonna be able to look to the trash and they should be able to see these pictures still exist. Now if you want to retain these pictures, select them and you can hit and restore. But if you want to just get rid of them for good, press delete. So I'm going to just delete this one, or I want to retrieve this one or restore this one. So if we just go back, okay, let's go back, we should have one restored and one deleted, as you guys can see. And this is, in my opinion, very important tips, and you should pay attention about the deleted pictures. Tip number 7, it will be more likely for people who want to play games on the LG Stylo 5. We have something called gaming mode when you run a game. For instance, I have Temple Run 2 is running on the LG Stylo 5, and if I swipe from the bottom, I should get the home key over here and the bar. So I have the back, home, square, and I have another thing on the corner. Go ahead and click on this, and this is going to be useful in a lot of things. First of all, you can take a break, you can take a screenshot from the game that you're playing if this is necessary for you, and it has something called adjust game graphics. Now if this game that you're playing, it has a lot of lagness problems, it doesn't work smoothly, all you have to do is just go ahead and change this resolution for a different resolution. Maybe it will make the game more playable. Or you can also, if you have some issues that the frame drops a lot, you can change the frame, and this will enhance the game experience in general when you play games on the LG Stylo 5. Tip number 8 will be the home touch buttons. The home touch buttons, basically the recent, the home button and the back button. Sometimes when you are on the LG Stylo 5 and you're trying to open YouTube, for instance, or any other application, you won't be able to see those. So all you have to do is swipe up and this should come up to you. But right away it's gonna disappear. Now if you want to just keep this permanent, which is easier for you to use, swipe and then you will see a dot on the corner. Twice on this dot, it is gonna make the home touch buttons permanent on the phone, and that way it's just easier for you to navigate in your device. You could do the same thing if you just want to hide it. Double tap on the dot twice and everything should be back as normal. Tip number 9, the split screen means we have two apps or one games, one app open at the same time, maybe the GPS app and YouTube at the same time. Let's go ahead and do this and show you how you can do it. First of all, you just have to go to the application that you are wanting to open. So open the application must be on the recent. And then also I have YouTube in the recent, so go ahead and hit on the recent button, which is the square over here, and then this is the map, and then there's icon on the top of this application shows a split screen. Go ahead and tap on that one and then select which other application do you want to be on that split screen. In my example, I want to just use YouTube. Here's YouTube. I can just play games or play the videos, and I have the GPS system, so maybe I'm driving and listening music at the same time. Tip number 10 and the last tip for today's video will be the quick launch. Means we're gonna launch the camera and the Memo application so quick from the phone. How you do this? Go ahead and let's say the phone it's off right now and I'm wanting to capture fast picture. All I have to do, just go to the volume key and tap twice and I should launch the camera. There you go, and then I take the picture and it will be saved in my device. Now that you can do the same thing if you want to launch the quick memo. Maybe you want to just take a memo or you want to do something very quickly. Go to the volume up key and tap twice, and that should take us to the quick memo even without unlocking the screen by the fingerprint, face unlock or whatever. Also, it's good to mention that the LG Stylo 5 has a lot more features than what I have covered in this video, but in my opinion these are the best tips and tricks. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more and varieties tech. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we'll see you in the next video.